The thing is, you have to have a real plan if you want to make money online. A plan, let's call it a blueprint, step by step of exactly what you're going to do, how you're going to build a foundation, and then move that foundation into a real business, the business of making money online. Before I get into giving you the plan, because I am going to lay out the plan for you here step by step, I want to reflect back on a few of the videos I've made here on the channel that have brought me to this point to make this video. Over at 30 Minute Marketing, I do my best to make helpful content, and some of that content is in the form of reviews. You could see some of these last reviews, and you really should check out these last reviews to understand these products, specifically these that are coming recently from Warrior Plus, Zest, MFE Pro, Hostespresso, Lump Sum Power, Energize, Quishio Suite, Viper Review, and I'm going to leave a card up here in the right-hand corner. Seriously, go and watch some of these reviews that I do here from these products. If you are caught in this trap of looking at these products and thinking these products are going to help you and buying the front end, or even worse, getting trapped in the funnel, then this blueprint that I'm about to lay out for you, this step-by-step action plan, is exactly what you need to get started and build a real business. Now, at any point, if you do need further help with it, there's going to be a link in the description. You can click that link and it's going to take you over to the actual training. But this is the blueprint that I'm going to lay out, and I'm going to lay it out piece by piece. I'm going to be using Funnelytics to lay out this diagram, the thing that you actually need. The first thing that you need is you need a web page. You need web hosting. This is a landing page. So what you're going to create here is a landing page. And on this landing page, you're going to collect email addresses. The email addresses of people that arrive to your page from the traffic source that you choose. So we're going to put that here, and what we're going to do is people that land on our page, we're going to send them down here to our email autoresponder. And of course, this email autoresponder here can be any product, Aweber, GetResponse, anything you want to use. Doesn't really matter as long as it's a legit and a proven company. Tried, true, tested. There's lots of videos here on the channel that talk about email autoresponders and the one you can use. But you need to think about building an email list. This is going to be the core and where you really build your business. So we're starting here with a landing page. And again, this is web hosting. Or it could be ClickFunnels. But typically what you want to do is you want to go with WordPress and you want to build a landing page. And then you want to take people and again put them on an email list. So let's carry on with this blueprint. And here is the thing. You need traffic to that landing page. Where do you get traffic? You get traffic from Facebook. You can come down here. You can see here you could get traffic from Pinterest. You could get traffic from Twitter. You could get traffic from YouTube, which is my favorite, by the way. But Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, all these are traffic sources. And what you're doing here is you're creating content on each one of these platforms, and you're sending the people that find your content on those platforms over to your landing page. Now, all this takes time and it doesn't happen overnight, so understand that. But these are the basic building blocks. Creating content, helpful content on Facebook, helpful content on Pinterest, helpful content on Twitter, helpful content on YouTube. Helpful content on YouTube, just like this video that I'm creating right here. Now, typically when you're talking about making money on Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and a lot of times ClickBank, specifically people want to jump right into the make money online space or internet marketing, and they see these products that are in the top 10 or the products that are emailed to them in their inbox because they signed up to learn how to make money online. And then they get this email and it includes a funnel where you buy the front end of the product, which is the thing, the software, the training. And then you click on that, you buy it, and then there's an upsell. And then that upsell talks to you about reselling the product as your own. Well, think about that for a second. How are you connecting with an audience, or how are you going to build an audience, or how's an audience going to understand what you're trying to tell them if you've never made money online, if you've never created the foundations of a real business? This is where it all starts, creating your own foundation. Of course, if you want to sell products in the make money online internet marketing space, then you have to learn how to do internet marketing, and you have to actually learn how to make money online, meaning you actually have to make some money online. So you might want to think about making money online outside of the make money online space. First, build these foundations, build these steps, understand how they work. And then if you really have a passion for marketing and you really believe it to be the thing that you want to do or the thing you need to do is to sell people other products about how to make money online, like the ones you just bought, then you need to build a foundation of content showing people how it's possible and the fact of how they can do it, just like this video you're watching right now. I didn't start this yesterday. I didn't get an email yesterday from a vendor that sold me a product on Warrior Plus. I bought the entire funnel. It came with resale rights, or it came with 100% commissions for me to resell that product, and then just post a link on Facebook or share it to Twitter to a following I don't have. I've slowly cultivated and built a foundation and an audience of people that understand that I know how to do this. I know how to make money online. That's what this is about. This is about you building your foundation. This is about a simple blueprint to go find traffic, get traffic to your offer or to an affiliate offer, earn a commission, and slowly build a real business. Back to the blueprint. Again, the blueprint here, the step-by-step action plan is to start with a landing page. A landing page is going to capture people and put them on an email list. Once you have that email list, then that is when you start thinking about what's next. And what's next is an order page. This is the affiliate offer, and this is where you're going to earn your commission. Now, what happens here is you create content on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube. You drive the interested people, your target audience, from those platforms to your landing page. You capture their email address on your email autoresponder or inside your email autoresponder. And then what you do is you just simply redirect them to that affiliate offer, and this is where you earn the commission. But the simple matter of the fact is that it doesn't happen like this, 1, 2, 3. It happens more like this. Create content on Facebook, a landing page, email list, send emails, again, to affiliate offer, again and again and again. And it's not one person, one click, one sale. It's building an audience of many people to understand your content, getting them to click multiple times, presenting the offer, presenting a bonus. Because yeah, bonuses do work, but it has to all be congruent, meaning it all has to make sense. It all has to be something, or it has to be the exact thing that that person is looking for from the minute they see your content to the time they click over to your affiliate page. From the time they click over to your landing page, they get on your email list, they start getting emails from you. The content that you create, the emails you send them, it all is congruent. It all is a message that is important to them. It solves their problem. These are real people with real problems. You're providing content to actually help them solve a problem. When they get over to that affiliate offer or your own offer, but typically at this stage it is an affiliate offer, they click on that link. That affiliate product that you're selling solves their problem. They purchase that product. You earn a commission. You help them. Now they trust you, and they are going to take more of your recommendations, and you're building a real business based upon the fact that you created content using a simple blueprint, an actual real plan. Again, if you don't understand all these steps, watch this video again. It's all right here. Leave me a comment, ask me to further explain it, or do the next best thing. Click on the link in the description. Grab the simple traffic blueprint, which you see right here inside of Taking Action Online, taught by Philip Barman. Walk through this, an intro, an overview of the strategy, take you through the essential tools that you need into getting started, choosing a niche, 3 steps, setting up, getting a domain name, setting up your website, using YouTube to create content, understand the purpose behind your content, choosing a product, uploading videos, getting people over to a well-designed landing page, and then at the end, in the 4th step, the conclusion, is where you learn how to rinse and repeat. And all that simply means is once you have built a foundation, you continue to do the same thing over and over. And that same thing that you're going to do over and over is create helpful content for real people that have real problems, where you can provide them a real solution via your affiliate link and that affiliate offer where you can earn a commission. Again, simple traffic blueprint, link in the description. Click on the link, pop over there. If you have any questions, simply drop it here in the comments and I'll get right back to you. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the ones you see right here. Feel free to click one of those. Keep watching. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.